Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Madhumati and today we are going to make these roses, and these roses I call them as button roses because they are very tiny and they're just very sweet to look at. And these are spiral, they go spirally, the petals get arranged spirally. So these are the button roses that we are going to make today. So, and this consists of two different parts. First we are going to make those petals part, and the second one we are going to make the leaf part. Now this is how the leaf looks like once it is made. And so we will first make the petals, and to make the petals we are taking, in fact I am taking 4-ply cotton yarn, and this is 1.6 mm hook I am taking. And for making the leaves I am taking a little thinner yarn, which is 3-ply yarn cotton, and I am using the same hook, 1.6 mm hook for this too. So without any further delay, let's start making these cute little button roses. So we'll put them aside and then we'll start with a slip knot. We'll start with a slip knot. So and then make 15 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So there are 15 chain stitches we have made, and then the first 3 chain stitches will be considered as the first DC or double crochet, because from 4th chain till the last chain we will be making 3 DC in each chain. So in the first 3 DC group, the first 3 chains will be considered as the first DC, and we will make 2 more in the 4th chain. So this is first DC, second DC, and then we are going to make the 3rd DC, and likewise we are going to go to the next chain, make 3 DC. Again here 1, 2, and the 3rd one. Next we are going to make more till the last chain. So we are going to complete the 3 DC part to form the petals till the last chain, but before that we can see the DCs which already we have made, that takes the form of petals and they curl in, and that's how the beautiful spiral shape actually develops. We do not need to actually make any efforts in curling the petals, and before even completing the chain stitches we can see the formation of the spiral petals. So, and this gives a very nice look to the rose button roses in fact. So we are going to complete the rest of them and then we will come back. Right, so we are done with the last group of 3 DC, and now it's time for us to fasten off the pink thread for the petals, because we are done with the flower part, petal part. So we will be pulling out a long tail, and then we're going to leave a long tail for sewing, and for that we need to cut the yarn, we will pull it a little longer, and then with the help of scissors we are going to cut it. There we go. And we are going to sew it later, not now, with a tapestry needle, and that we will do it just after doing the leaf part. So we will keep this aside, and we are going to now head to make leaves. So just grab the green yarn that you have and make a slip knot. Make a slip knot and then make 6 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 chain stitches after making a slip knot. And then join with the first chain and using a slip stitch. So this is the slip stitch, and close the ring that is formed and make 5 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 chain stitches we have made. Then this will be the first leaf that we are going to make, and we are going to work on the chains that we have. So insert the hook into the second chain stitch from the hook and make a slip stitch there, and into the next 3 stitches, chain stitches you have, you will be making single crochet into each stitch. So we will have 3 single crochet stitches and 1 slip stitch for each leaf, and insert the hook into the ring, slip stitch, and then make 1 single crochet. Again make 5 chain stitches, insert the hook in the next chain stitch, make slip stitch, and into each chain stitch make 1 single crochet. So 1 single crochet, single crochet 2, single crochet 3, slip stitch into the ring, and then make 1 chain single crochet, make 1 single crochet, and then make 5 chain stitches again, and make, this is the last leaf that we are going to make. Slip stitch into the second chain stitch, single crochet, single crochet into the second chain, single crochet into the third, last one, and then slip stitch into the ring, make 1 single crochet stitch, and fasten off the leaf. It's done. So again here we will leave a little tail to sew if we want, or else we can just do away the sewing part. We can just stick it with the petals and then cut the extra yarn that we have. So this is the 3-leafed structure we got. We are going to now stick them and keep them in their right places, and before that we are going to sew the petals, the layers of petals, so that they are in their position and they do not uncurl. So for that we are going to make use of the tapestry needle, and then insert, thread the pink yarn, the tail or tail end of the pink yarn into the needle, and we are going to sew it along all 4 sides. The layers have to be kept in the position and sewn along all 4 sides. So from the back, just follow the video as is shown, and from the back to the center we come, and that's the first side that we have kept the layers of petals intact, and then we move to the from center we move to the other side where we have not done yet, and this is the other side, and then we go to the center back again, and then we go to the next side where we have not sewn it yet. So come back, the needle has to be brought back from the center to the back, then again from the center, so we will now be putting a knot to the tail end so that it doesn't come out. So carefully as shown, please do it, and cut the extra yarn that you see with a pair of scissors, and thus it's the petals are in position. We have made sure that the petals, they do not uncurl, and cut the extra yarn. First you glue it and then put a knot and cut the extra yarn. It's always like this. Whenever we are cutting the yarn, we are going to tie a knot, glue it, and then cut the extra yarn. So this is the petals part ready, and now we are sticking the petal part to the leaves. Now we are going to stick the leaves to the petals. For that, the leaves have to face right side up. Apply the glue at the center of the leaves, of the 3 leaves that we have, and then just slightly press the petals at the center so that they are held in position with the glue, and then put a knot to the green tail ends, apply glue, and then cut the extra bit of yarn that you have. And before we finally say that it is ready, we are going to apply little glue between the petals and the base of the leaf so that it gives a nice look to the flower. Otherwise the leaves will curl backwards. So we are just going to ensure that the leaf is right in its place, showing up. So this is ready, and this is the button rose which is ready. Isn't it beautiful? So do make, and then please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell icon so that you do not miss out on any of the notifications once the videos are uploaded. So for now, bye bye everyone. Thank you so much. Bye.